part of it. I want to do just half of it. Just part of it, and like right in the middle. Make sure that good enough. Transfer foil gel. All right, here for 60 seconds. Oh, sorry, 30 seconds. I said wait, we don't need 60 seconds. And then our next colors, I am going to use this. So beautiful, it's gonna be perfect. They're so beautiful, all of them are so vibrant. So this is this designs. I think even you doing whole nail, it's gonna look good too. So this is just 2 designs that we have. Love nails. Put the third one on the bottom on that nails. Third one, this one? Looks good.
I think you talk about transfer foil. It's good. You can do it on the next nail. We have 4. So this one we're gonna have right in the middle.
All right. I'm in the bottom of this. I'm gonna press it on. Make sure that it press on really good. It's only if it not transfer, if either the lamp is not gearing or I'm not applied enough transfer foil gel. Or I didn't press it good enough. Come right off.
Oh, yeah, I think you're right. So the top design.
Huh?
So the green one.
Ah, so beautiful.
Yep. You have the green perfect drop.
Yeah, that one's gonna be perfect on this one. All right, so let's get started with that one. I am going to using condensed glue gels. Hello, Mama Vic, how are you? Happy Monday. The third one on the top, right there. 1, 2, 3. I think I used the second one. Yes, love. Did I say it right? Love one? Yes. All right, floating right on the top. And no wet top coat. It's too pretty. I don't want to cover it.
Oh, so top one on the bottom.
Hmm?
So I guess that one, yeah.
On the bottom?
Uh-huh.
This one will be stand out really good though.
Well, you have another nail. You're fine.
Ah,
You can do both.
I was thinking of doing that one so it's popped really well.
Yep. So do your green, and we have one more nail. So we do the one on
because
the
that one, this one probably going well with that.
Yep, and for all of you that like this design, feel free to take a screenshot so you have some reference back when after we're done with all this. They won't be on the plate anymore.
I got a picture for us. I got you. To my Glitz lover. I usually took the picture first before I destroy it. Sometimes I forgot. Like the other day I forgot the whole entire thing. So pretty. I didn't want to cover it right in the middle. See how simple and easy it is? I'm gonna get some so it's great to combine the neon colors and glow in the dark because they always complement each other so well. We have the last one, we can definitely do that design. Gonna add some beads on. And then usually on the ends, when I end up with the crystal placements like finish, I usually do 3 beads. You can do 1 bead. Sometimes you see me do 1 bead as well. You can do 2 beads. 3 beads looks fun. Like it look finished to me. 1 bead is good. You can do 1, or you can continue to do more than just 1. Let me see. I found super adorable. Let me know if you have any comments because I will read it just shortly. You see how simple and as fun it is? It's not that it's complicated at all. It's just really simple, easy, and quick as well. And as you just start playing with crystal placement, don't worry, just place the centerpiece first. And this one, my centerpiece is my perfect drop right there, and then it adds like lagunas here, and then other SS around with it. All right, great. Happy with this. We are going to cure. You know what? I feel like I need to finish something with that. To add just a little bit. One more. Another beads. So now you can still see like a part of a foil designs and a lot of crystal placement, but it settles enough that there you go. You like it? Then we are going to cure.